If you've ever been to Red Lobster, you know their biscuits are absolutely insanely good. And so you'll definitely want to be trying this vegan recipe for copycat Red Lobster biscuits. Let's go. We're gonna start by sifting our flour. This is because we want to have nice, fluffy, light biscuits. So you have to sift the flour to create as much aeration and make sure there's no clumps in your batter. Our next ingredient is baking powder, because again, we want those nice, fluffy biscuits. For flavor, we're adding in some garlic powder. Then we'll add in the baking soda as well to again aerate it and make those fluffy biscuits, and some salt. And then go ahead and mix until combined and fully incorporated. Now we're going to cut the butter. So butter is a crucial element in biscuits. That's how it gets so fluffy. I'm using frozen vegan butter sticks that I am shredding through my food processor. You can see how it's in itty bitty little pieces, and then I'm putting that into my flour mixture and really cutting it in with a metal fork. You don't want any butter pieces or chunks bigger than the size of a small pea. Now it's time for the cheese. I'm using Nourish cheddar style cubes. I really like this vegan cheese because it melts really easily. Again, I pop these into the freezer to make sure they're nice and hard, and then I'm shredding them through my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, of course, you can just use a regular old cheese grater for both the cheese and the butter. The main thing is you want very tiny small pieces that are going to incorporate easily into your flour mixture, and it can get a little sticky. Now we get to stir to combine the vegan milk. I'm just using some plain unsweetened almond milk here. Again, with biscuits, you never want to over mix, so stir until just combined. Now, we're doing these biscuits drop style biscuit, so we're just taking a little bit of dough and plopping it onto the cookie sheet. If you had an ice cream scooper, you could use that to measure, but roughly you want them all the same size, and then into the oven they go. Woo! This is the best part because your house at this point is going to smell amazing. Now remember, vegan butter doesn't brown the same way regular butter does, so if they look a little bit pale, that's okay. Pull them out because you would rather have them nice and moist rather than dry and kind of crunchy. After brushing these beautiful baby boys with butter, you know you have to eat them while they're still warm, right? Oh my god, look at that, the cheese, it's melting, it's oozing. They're so good. Okay, here's the close-up shot. Had to get the money shot of them. They're gonna be gone so fast. Don't tell anyone that you made these, okay? Keep it a secret because they're just that good. Keep them all to yourself. Well, thanks for following along, everybody, and I hope you it is its own reward. So good. Insanely good. Make these right now. Go to the store. Make them. Bye.